All right, 2018 JKU. Check engine light code P0148, which is generic for thermostat. Okay, these are prone to have thermostat issues because, again, it's a plastic housing. This code on this one is saying it's operating at too cool of a temperature, which means the thermostat is stuck open. So it's pretty simple to do. Thermostat and the thermostat housing comes as one piece, probably 30-40 bucks. Basically, we're going to take this cover off here, take this cover, disconnect here, and then your thermostat housing is right there. It's held on by two 10 millimeters, and it should be a pretty simple process. So I'm going to pull this apart. These are also 10 millimeters. These got to come out. You got to undo this belt clamp right here and this belt clamp right here on the throttle. This comes out of the way, and then you should be able to access the thermostat housing, no issues. Keep in mind, when you do disconnect your radiator hose from the thermostat housing, you are going to lose some fluid. So I would suggest putting a catch pan under it, etc. But pretty straightforward process. On the new thermostat housing, you don't have to put any Permatex or anything. It does have a rubber seal that comes with it, a gasket. Make sure that when you take the old one off, you get that rubber gasket as well. If not, it'll create a gap and allow leaks. All right, for simplicity too, you're just going to pop this cover off. It's just got a couple little tabs that hold it in place. It comes right off. So now that that's removed, here's your thermostat housing right here. So basically, you just got to undo this slip clamp, push it back, separate the top radiator hose. You are going to lose some fluid from it. And then on your thermostat housing, it's just a 10 millimeter bolt on top and on the bottom. All right, so here's the old thermostat. If you look at it here, you can see that it is missing the O-ring. So I need to make sure and get that off of the housing, which, if you can see, is right here. Just want to make sure that's pulled off. Again, you don't have to put any Permatex or anything on it, but just wipe the surface area down right around here. Put it back on. It's pretty simple. So here's the thermostat I grabbed. I just went up to O'Reilly's and got one because it's code and I didn't feel like waiting to order one, etc. I think it was like 30 bucks. But it is the exact same thermostat. New thermostat, old thermostat. You can see it does come with the gasket already on it and the factory temp thermostat. So put it back on. Obviously know your orientation. It's going to go on like this, top and bottom, and hook the hose back up, check fluid, and good to go. New thermostat's in and seated. Just got to tighten up the two 10 millimeter bolts, reassemble the hose, and it should be good to go.